Welcome. In front of me is a XIAOMI Leitzphone, and today I will show you how you can put this device into recovery mode. So, to get started, you will want to turn off your device. Now, by default, you would need to press the power button and volume up at the same time, which would bring up your boot options. Or alternatively, you might need to hold the power button, and even when you get the Gemini, you continue holding it till you get this boot options visible. From here, you want to swipe up to turn off your device. And once the phone turns off, you want to hold power button and volume up. After a moment, when you see the Me logo on the screen, let go of the power button, but keep holding volume up. And as you can see, this takes us to the recovery mode. And here we don't have very many options. We have Reboot, which takes us back to Android, Wipe Data, Connect with Mi Assistant, and Restore System. Now under Wipe Data, we only have Factory Reset. Now you navigate through these options using volume buttons, and power button is used to confirm whatever is selected. As actually being set in here, we have Wipe Data and Restore or Reset some settings, or all settings. So as you can see, you navigate volume buttons and power button to confirm. So anyway, I'm going to now stick with the Reboot, confirm it, Reboot to System, and this will just leave this mode and bring me back to Android. And there we go. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.